Hey friends, let's do Hot Rockin' Guitar Lesson, another awesome song by Judas Priest. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So starting on the A power chord, play that 2 times, and then again, and then play A back to G. Then we have what we're going to call riff 1, because this plays throughout the song. We're going to play an A power chord, 2 palm mutes, again, 2 palm mutes, A, 2 palm mutes, A, 2 palm mutes, and then go to a C power chord and do that 2 times. Then jump to an F sharp power chord, play that and slide up to the G. 2 palm mutes on the G, G, 2 palm mutes, G, 2 palm mutes, G, 2 palm mutes, and then back to A power chord 2 times. And we do that riff 1 2 times. So. And up to speed. And that's riff 1, and that's our intro there. So for our verse, we just play riff 1 through 4 times. Let's do that a couple of times there. Play that through 4 times, and that's our verse. So for our chorus, we're starting on this F power chord, play it once, then palm mute the open E, go back to a D power chord, then go back to the F power chord again, palm mute the open E, and come up to a G power chord, so 10 and 12, so 10 on the A, 12 on the D and the G. Go back to the F power chord, palm mute the E, back to the D power chord. Then we're just playing the F 2 times, and the second time slide up 2 frets to G. And we do that 2 times for our chorus. So. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to our verse, and that's exactly the same, using riff 1 4 times. Then we have our chorus again. So let's have a look at our solo rhythm now, and we'll do our solo at the end. We're just going to start on a B power chord, do 2 palm mutes, and then off, then do 3 palm mutes. 1, 2, 3, off, another 3, 2, 3, off, and then 1 palm mute, and then play a D power chord 2 times. So. Then do the same, but with an A power chord, so 2 mutes, off, 3 mutes, off, 3 mutes, off, 1 mute, and then go to the B power chord 2 times. And we just do that through 4 times, and that's our solo rhythm there, and we'll do our solo at the end, slowly. And that's our solo rhythm there. So for our bridge, I'll talk you through guitar 1, because we're just playing chords. We play an E power chord, and then just play 7 on A, D and G. And we're going to do that 5 times. So the E, and then back to the 7s. This is guitar 1. And then to finish that off, we're just going to play C power chord, back to a B power chord. And that's guitar 1. Now let me play guitar 2 for you. So we're just palm muting the open E for bar there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and come up to 5 on the A and the D, 2 palm mutes on the open E, 7 A and D, 1 palm mute, back to 5 A and D, and then 2 palm mutes. And we're going to do that 9 times. And then we just finish on the B power chord there. And that's our post solo plus our next verse or our bridge there. Then from there we go back to the verse, back to the chorus, that all stays the same. And then for our outro, we have guitar 1 just playing riff 1 through once. Then repeat the start of it again on the A, to the C. Then just play a G power chord, 2 G's, 2 G's again, and then G to A. Now when the first time we're playing riff 1, we've got the second guitar doing a bend on the 11th fret on the G. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So for our solo, most of this is done with pinched harmonics. I'll leave them off for the moment just while we're going through it. So we bend on 9 on the G, that's a pinched harmonic there, and then jump to 7E, 7B, bend 10B, play 7E, 7B, and then we've got this little run down, E, 10, 7, you can do this with pinched harmonics, B, 10, 7, G, 10, 9, 7, and then to the D, 7, 9. So we've got the bend first. You can do that with pinched harmonics. So we're playing the 9th fret G, do that 3 times, the 3rd time do a bend. And again, all pinched harmonics, 7 on the B, 7 on the E, bend 9 on the E, and then back to 7, 7B, bend 9 on the G, back to 7B, 7 on the E, bend and release 9 there on the E, 7 and then 7B. Then we have this next run down, E, 10, 9, 7, B, 10, 9, 7, G, 9, 7, come back to the D, 4, 2, A, 5, 4, 2. And that's sort of part 1 of the solo. Then we have part 2, stay on the D string, 9, 7, 9, 9, 7. Then we're going to do 9, pull off to 7 2 times. Then do another 3 times there, 9, pull off to 7. So we have, do a bend on 9 on the G, play 7, and we'll do this little riff 3 times, 2 times, 9 pull off to 7 on the D, 9A, we do that again, 7G, 9 pull off to 7, 9A, then go 9 pull off to 7 on the D, A, 9, bend on 7, bend and release, and then E, 10, 7 there. Then we stay 9G, 7B, bend on 10B. Do that again, 9G, 7B, 10, bend, B, then 9G, 7B, and then we're going to bend 4 times on the 10B. 2, 3, 4, then release, pull off to 7, play 9 on the G, back to 7 on the B, do a bend on 9E, bend and release there, 7, 7B to G, 9, 7, D, 9, 7, then do a bend and release on 9G, 7, and then D, 7, 9. And that's the solo, and that's all our parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Hot Rock and Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s, rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.